Welcome back to Davidson Handyman. Today I'm going to be replacing the filter on a Samsung washing machine. Now for those of you who are maybe new or didn't realize, washing machines have filters very much like your dishwasher and even your bathroom sinks, have things that can get clogged in the pipes and the drain lines and everything else. So the washing machine has filters that will help prevent big stuff from going down your drain and causing bigger problems. So if you want to look at your model number, you can just open up the door. Usually there's a sticker right there. So this model is a Samsung, I'll let you read that. So this is what we're going to be changing the filter on. Stay tuned. So what you're going to do is you're going to find this little port, and it may be in different locations based on your washing machine, but if it looks anything like this, it should still be pretty similar enough to get you to where you need to be. So you just push and this pops open, and then you'll see this white screw. If you turn it and it clicks, there's water that's going to come out too, so be prepared for that. But if you turn it and it clicks, just push it in and then turn it. It's kind of like a child-proof thing. But you can see that's pretty gross, and it looks like some sort of baby face cloth or something just wedged in there and started blocking everything out. So just take this out and expect about 2 to 3 cups of water to come out when you remove this filter. So if you have a pan, apparently mine failed, so I'm gonna have to get a towel, but whatever. Just expect some water to come out. You want to clean this and then go in here and make sure that's cleaned out as well, because there's yep, there we go. So what do we have here? It's pretty gross. Mary Kay. Okay, so we have a makeup cleansing cloth that caused our problem. So I'll be talking to the wife later. Apparently there's more. Look at that. Gross. It's the life of a handyman. So clean this, clean that, make sure there's nothing else in there. Look at that, see? Nice and open. Reinstall it, close it up, and you should be good to go. All right, so the filter's all clean. Let's put this bad boy back in. Clean that out as well. So you'll just reinsert this. It's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. For those that prefer that method, I just prefer clockwise, but and hear it click. It's like a gas cap. So that's how you know it's in there good. And then you should be all set. Just close that back up. Give it a little clean. A lot of junk gets built up in here, so. And there you go. You're all set. So, hope this helped. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.